Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to check for subscriptions on your iPhone iOS 26. For example, if you see the notification of your payments that a subscription payments has been deducted from your iPhone iOS 26, but you do not have purchased any. But if you want to cancel that subscription and you want to check whether that subscription is available or not, why your payments is detecting, so you can simply check for the subscription. So if you want to check for the subscription, then there are two methods available. The first method is that you have simply open the app store here. So in app store you have simply click on that profile section, and here you can simply check go for the purchase history, and you can simply check for any kind of purchase which is available. So you can simply check for that. So if you want to check, then there are also filters available, which means if you want to check for the paid or non-paid or free, you can also check for that. Moreover, you can also check for the another option which is available. If you want to check the subscription history on your iPhone, for this you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to click on name or Apple ID here, and after that you have to simply go to media and purchase, and in media and purchase you have to simply click on that view account, and after that you have to simply wait for some time so that a new kind of interface is available. In new kind of interface you will find the option of the purchase history, and you can simply find the same settings which you got in the previous method. So in this way you can simply check for your subscription and purchase history by clicking on name or Apple ID. After that you have to go to media and purchase, and you have to click on view account. Moreover, you can also check your subscription history by clicking on that subscription, and after that you can check whether any subscriptions are available or not. So hope you have liked this video. When you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.